Hello everyone, this is Matt from Powell, and today we're going to talk about our 3,000 pound handlebar unions. Powell handlebar unions are a convenient, safe, reliable way to connect chlorine or sulfur dioxide hoses to your railcar piping system. They're constructed of 3,000 pound ASTM forged steel, zinc plated. They have an internal Viton O-ring for a reliable seal. This O-ring can be replaced at a regular basis and should be lubricated with inert grease before use to extend the service life. Here are two examples of a 1-inch hose being threaded into a 1-inch union and a 1/2 inch hose being threaded into a 1/2 inch handlebar union. All Powell handlebar unions are available for quick delivery by FedEx or UPS ground. For more information on our handlebar unions, please visit our website at powellsolutions.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook.